Yeah, hello fans, this is Jeromekeys music. So today I want to teach you something very special, okay? So I'll be teaching you how you can flow on your worship chord, how you can flow as a beginner, okay? It's not about I know how to play. You have to learn how to flow with your hand, with your fingering, and with the chord you are holding, okay? So if you want to play worship, you don't just play this way. Don't just be striking notes like to not be full, okay? Especially when you are playing a spiritual song, usually all this spiritual song, and you're using strings or your pad. You have to make the pad flow along with you. Like you can hear the pad flowing. Okay, the pad will still be flowing. You don't have to. No, it's not proper and it should be noisy. Okay, it should be noisy. So you have to flow along. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm holding my mi so do mi, just a simple chord. It's very simple. As a beginner, you're supposed to know this chord. Okay, it's very simple. It's a do. Or I can use my so do mi so. It's another chord you can use. Or your do mi so. Okay, so we're using this. This is my D. E, D, re, fa, re, la, do, mi, si, do. That's what I'm playing here. But you can see the pad flowing. You can see the pad is flowing. So that is what you need to know. Okay? You need to learn that. If not, your worship will not be that sounding good. Okay? Mi, di, re, fa, re, la, do, mi, si. Fa, re, la, do, mi, si, do. That's me. The key I'm playing on is F sharp and I'm on F sharp. So in case you are not playing on F sharp, you can just apply the notes I'm calling now. What I'm playing there is mi, di, re, fa, re, la, do, mi, si, do. So when you're playing worship, even though you want to solo, okay, so you go mi, di, re, fa, re, la, do, mi, si, do. It's not a song, I'm just telling you. You can use any song can go on this progression. You okay? Be now exalted, O Lord, above forever. Be now, you can see so many songs can go on this progression that I'm using now. So what I'm doing is da 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 so do. That's just the re progression. So this is just the passing notes you can be adding to make it more melodious. Okay, so you go yo yo so mi so do mi, or yo yo so do mi so, to make it more simple, right? Okay, mi, D, on your D, yo yo, D la, D la, D on your left, then your la, D, mi, so, la, D, mi, so, okay, la, D, mi, so, la, D, mi, so, okay, like mi, D, re, fa, re, la, do, mi, si. You don't have to play. not wrap up, okay? And when you're playing it, make sure when you're soloing with this hand will still be on your saw. Okay? You can see this one rests on your fa. So it will be flowing the pad or the strings that you had that you do with your grand piano voice. Okay? So you go. Okay? And make sure this one is stable. There. Even though you want to be soloing, you can see what I'm doing. So this is just a simple trick you can use while playing your worship chord, okay? Especially all these spiritual songs, okay? You are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for arguments. You are God all by yourself. You are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for arguments. Okay? So I hope you have learned something today. Please make sure you like, comment, and share. Comment the song you want me to do a breakdown on. And make sure you comment and share. Like. Okay? God bless you.